Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP. Click join. So let's go ahead and dive right into the video. I'll be sharing with you guys some stocks that I'll be looking at going into next week. If the opportunity presents itself, if they have some nice dip buys, if they approach major resistance level, or first green day occur on some stocks that I have on my watch list as well. But some of these stocks, I'm only going to name 5 of them. I don't want to cloud your judgment and have you watching too many stocks at one time, plus your own stocks that you're watching. So anyways, guys, as we know, less is more. The less you do, the better your results is going to be. The less you trade, the better the outcome is going to be. If you take 100 trades in a month, you're going to lose majority of them. If you only take 5 trades out the month, if you lose 3 and win 2, those 2, by you being meticulous and simplified, those are going to be 2 nice big gains. And those 3 losses are going to be very, very small and stable gains that's going to keep your account intact, while the 2 winners is going to help grow your account. So anyways, guys, go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on. As we know, on Saturday, we got good news for our loans, for calls, for the stock market to go to the upside, with the government announcing that it got some more breathing room on Saturday. We're no longer doing a government shutdown, which is good news for the market. And that's not saying that it still can possibly shut down, but it's giving them they got approved for short-term funding, which gave them breathing room for another 45 days to restructure, revamp things, get things back in order, guys. So as we know, let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on with the 5 stocks that I got on you guys' watch list. And also, I want to throw in there, things is going to get bad. It's going to get bad. But before they do, it's going to be a lot of volatility, a lot of spikes up to make you think thing is good. And then out of nowhere, just come and take it, wipe it all away. And you're going to hear a lot of bad news, a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff is going to happen, in my opinion. I believe the world is not going back to how it used to be. We're going to keep going far away from being normal. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the stocks, though. The first stock I got on the list is Snapchat. Snapchat reached its lowest levels, guys, coming down to around the $7 range. It started to be on the up and up since last week, bouncing off of its lows, and I love the pattern that it's creating. It's creating higher highs and higher lows. So it's definitely showing signs of a continuation. At break 9, it's definitely going to fly. So you want to have that in your watch list. Next stock is Affirm. I called that out last week. When I called it out, the next day we woke up, printing money, guys. Got in at 20. It shot up like 22, 23, 22, 23, somewhere up in there. But I was up like 60, 70%. And I wish I would have sold at the peak. I was up like 100+%, but still $400 or $500 return in a day. That was a good call on Affirm, and I got back in it on the dip, guys. So I'm definitely looking forward to go back up, retest those levels, and possibly go higher. The next stocks I will be looking at is basically the marijuana sector, guys. You know, I called this sector out before they started going crazy. I'm talking CGC like 120%. Up 120% in a single day on a couple weeks ago. And that, of course, had a cool down, till rate up nice from 150 area. When I called it, it went up as high as 3-ish something, then doubled. And it's still very, very early with these. These things has lots of potential. So you definitely want to have on your radar. They've been cooling down for the past couple of weeks, but I'm pretty sure here soon. Nobody knows exactly when, but they will be heating up soon, guys, and it possibly could be next week. So you already know what to do, guys. Follow for more. I love y'all. Add your boy on Instagram at the BHayes Show _, and we go.